Is your garage door remote control not working properly? Common issues include dead batteries, interference, or the need for reprogramming, which can leave you frustrated and stuck outside. Don't let remote control problems disrupt your routine. If you're in the Dapto area and experiencing garage door issues, our team of qualified professionals is here to help. Call us now at 0409774111 for expert garage door repairs and reprogramming services. Ensure your garage door operates smoothly and reliably with our professional assistance. For dependable garage door repairs in the Dapto area, contact us today at 0409774111.